At Downer, we are firm believers in relationships creating success. And we are proud to be trusted partners to our customers, creating innovative, sustainable rail solutions for local communities in Aotearoa. As a market leader in rail infrastructure, we provide our customers with whole-of-life expertise across the country's rail network. We are proud to be part of the teams delivering projects such as City Rail Link, Trentham to Upper Hutt, Wiri to Key Park, and the Porirua area capacity enhancements. Working together with our partners, Downer has been a key player in the development of game-changing safety innovations on the Trentham to Upper Hutt project in Wellington, which has been recognised at several industry awards. Auckland City Rail Link is the largest transport infrastructure project ever undertaken in New Zealand. As a key member of the Link Alliance delivering these works, Downer has provided project management services, technical expertise, and our rail and civil delivery teams to better connect the Auckland rail network. These significant pieces of infrastructure are transforming our cities, providing important services to the people of New Zealand, and delivering positive outcomes for our communities. Downer's record in building supporting infrastructure in the rail corridor is extensive and reaches back many years. Our projects include major new rail station construction, such as the Aotea, Karangahape Road and Mount Eden stations on the City Rail Link, Auckland's Newmarket Station, and the Rotorua Transport Hub in Hamilton. By leveraging our international capabilities within Downer Group and Keolis Downer, we are the only company in the market with experience in rolling stock, infrastructure, rail systems, operation and maintenance, and system integration. Downer Group also has an extensive track record in the delivery of light rail metro systems. In this sector, we combine our engineering capability with the global light rail operations and maintenance expertise of Keolis, providing these services for Melbourne's Yarra Trams, the largest light rail network in the world. Downer's proven track record on the rail network gives our customers confidence in our ability to deliver their projects to the highest standard. And through our strong Trans-Tasman footprint, we have the capability and expertise to deliver a full range of rail solutions to meet your requirements.